Today we are going to show you how I made this beautiful city slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. Click on Right, go to Format Background, click on Picture and Texture Fill. Here I have downloaded the city image from Google. We will select it and insert it. Then close. Now go to Insert tab, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here and make sure it covers the whole slide. Shape outline and make it no outline. After this, go to Insert tab and choose a WordArt style from WordArt gallery. And here we write city. Then select, go to Home tab and change the font. Size 290. Go to Format, Align Middle from Align. Now let me select the background shape. Hold down the Ctrl key and select the text box. Go to Merge Shape and click on Subtract. Go to Insert, Shapes, select Rounded Rectangle. Shape outline, make it no outline. Decrease width size and align middle. Let me zoom out. Now I have to insert the picture. Go to Insert, go to Picture, go to this device and we will select it and insert it. Go to Crop, Accept Ratio and make it 16:9 and click on Outside. And place it the picture like this. And click on right button, send it to back. Now select this one, click on right button, go to Format Shape, select eyedropper and select this color. Click on Gradient Fill, change the gradient fill color. Select these stops, select eyedropper and select this color. Follow same process. Select these stops and select this color. Follow same process. Now select this one, go to Animation, go to Add Animation and click on Line and Effect option, select Left. Select arrow, drag it like this. Go to Animation pane, Timing, start with previous, duration 5 seconds very slow. Go to Effect, Smooth Start 0, Smooth End 0. Then OK. Select, click on Animation Painter and apply on this. Now let me watch the slideshow. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.